Hi there, welcome back to JD Answers. Today we're going to have the 70 MAI dashcam unboxing. Alright, let's get started here. We're going to be unboxing. Let's see what we have when we open up the box here. And the first thing we're going to see is the manual. The manual is in English and it'll give you all the information. It's a pretty simple manual, gives you all the specifications you need in here, and it has some QR codes for other user guides as well. Alright, let's put that to the side. And one thing I like about this is that it gives you this protective installation shield. This is just like a cell phone protective screen. So what you do is you make sure your window shield is clean. You get this, pull this tab here, and then what you're going to do is apply this to your window shield. And then on the other side, what you're going to do is you're going to attach the mounting part of it here. So when you're done with your dash cam or you need to install it somewhere else, all you got to do is just take this whole covering off, and there's no adhesive that's going to be on your window shield. Now, if you don't use this and you need to take off the dash cam, it's still the same way. You'll still be able to take it off. It's just easier with this protective screen on here because you're pulling everything out at the same time rather than the adhesive on the mounting and pulling that out of the way. So this is pretty neat. I'm glad that they put this in there. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start with the dash cam itself here. Alright, let's pull this off. It's pretty neat. Alright, just a few specs on this camera. It's a 1920 by 1080p Full HD. It has a Sony IMX307 high sensitivity image sensor. It has a 130-degree wide angle lens. Has a built-in G sensor. It has automatically emergency recording, voice control, which you could say take picture or record video. And it does come with the WDR app control. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, select all notifications, because we're going to have, besides the unboxing, we're going to do a review on this camera. We're going to show you step by step on how to use the menu, and we're going to show you how to use the app. Now, besides all that, we're also going to show you how to install this into your vehicle. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and all notifications on this. Now, when we start with the dash cam on the side, there is a reset port where you can reset the dash cam if needed. The micro USB port, which is going to be your power source. You could also use this port to transfer files between your dash cam and your computer or laptop. You get a micro USB cord and you connect it to your computer. Now, you don't have to take off your dash cam, take it to your computer, or bring your laptop to your vehicle. All you need to do is take out the micro USB card, and you could transfer files between your computer, laptop, and your micro USB card. And at the bottom is the micro SD port. And right underneath it is the adjustment lever that you would need to move your dash cam from top to bottom. And underneath that is your knob, so you could turn to tighten or loosen the dash cam to get you in the right position you need to record. Now on the other side, it has the power button. Let's go ahead and turn it on. And you see how it turns green. That means the power is on. Blue means it's working.
The in-car charger cable.
And the red light meaning that there's no power to it and it needs to be charged. Well, as you're driving your vehicle, it charges the internal battery or capacitor it has in there. That way you have some power in case you have any parking files, like a shopping cart hitting your car while you're inside a store. The internal battery will record that. Now, you do need to have the cable plugged into your dash cam at all times. The internal battery will not keep your dash cam on 24/7. You need to have it plugged in. Unless you install a hardwire kit, it will stay on consistently. If you're not sure with a hardwire kit, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and go to playlist, and you will see the hardwire kits in there, and I'll show you step by step on how to install a hardwire kit. Now moving on, you can see that adhesive pad that's going to be you need it to install it into your window shield. Alright, let's see what else is next. And you got a small box here, and which Once you open this one, the protective sleeve there, you will notice that this is the power source that you're going to need, the charging port. And you can see how it has one USB port to it. I think this is a 2.0 USB port. Now, if you have your cell phone charging on a port already, rather than putting this one in, you can install it to that port that you have already. That way you have one charging your dash cam and your cell phone. So you don't have to use this one. This is just a provided one that for your dash cam. Just make sure that it's at least a 3.0 charging port, not a 2.0. Let's go ahead and take a look at the other side. And let's see. Alright, it flips this way. And this is probably going to be the power cord itself. The one thing I noticed right away is that the cord is thick, which is good for weather temperatures. Even though it's inside, you do get those cold temperatures inside and the heat in the inside. So this is pretty good. Now, the cord itself is at a 90-degree angle, which is good for installation for cord management. That way it routes to the top of the headliner. So that is good. And in the bottom, of course, is the USB port that you would plug into your power socket here. Or you could use a dual one, as long as it's 3.0 that I recommend. That way you get more power to this, to your cord. Now let's go ahead and turn this on. I'm going to go ahead and install the micro USB cord. Alright, it's on. You can see it, how it's turning colors, and it made a sound. Blue light.
Already on. Activated using cell phone connection.
Here you go. So you can see, I know it kind of looks green on the video, but this is a blue light, or I hope it's showing it's blue. That this is the blue light pretty much indicate that the system is on and it's working. Now, before we move on, there is a protective covering on here, but I just wanted to show you that how it works. And that once you get the power source in there, the blue light indicating that it works. Now, just make sure you take the protective covering sleeve off before you start driving off or testing it and see like why doesn't it work, because it shows a black screen. That will be the reason. So again, stay tuned for all the videos that's coming up for the installation, tutorials on how to. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and that way you get all the information you need about this dash cam, because we're going to show you again the installation and the how-tos on this camera. If this video was helpful for you, please give me that thumbs up, because you know I appreciate that from you. All the product links, I'll put them in the description down below for you to purchase. If you have any questions or comments about this dash cam, leave me in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.